We are really excited about this and we feel the time is right and are ready to share this space with you guys. FullBOOST Garage is a cost-effective, community-based DIY car club, media outlet and culture facility created by car enthusiasts for car enthusiasts. At its core, a comprehensive, go-at-your-own-pace DIY workshop with access to hoists, tools, equipment, car detailing, social initiatives, knowledge and support created to suit everyone from beginner through to expert. Simply book online, rock up and lift your ride on one of our brand new hoists and get to work with all of our tools at your fingertips. We've partnered with an authorised Vic Roads car club, allowing us to offer club permit registration for veteran, classic, historic and street road vehicles. We want the car community to get off the couch and come be a part of our social activities, from car shows to weekly functions and events, industry presentations, while members will have access to a recreation lounge with a large range of rewards, savings and giveaways from Australia's leading automotive brands. We are passionate about bringing the car community together in real life rather than solely on the internet. We understand everyone has different levels of experience and needs, and not everyone wants to get their hands dirty. So for this reason, we are offering different ways of being involved, including a casual pass, a digital, clubhouse and workshop membership. So jump on board and get on our website, fullboostgarage.com.au, have a look at our memberships and other offerings. Support what we are trying to do here within the car community, and we hope to see you guys down here real soon. This would also not have been possible without some amazing supporters on board. We would like to say a big thank you to King Chrome, Joel's Garage Gear and Burson Auto Parts for getting behind us on this, making it transform from a dream to reality.